Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make curry sauce with curry powder easy guide. Toast curry powder briefly to bloom the oils, then sauté onions and garlic in oil until translucent. Add tomato paste and spices, stir well, then pour in stock or coconut milk. Simmer gently until slightly thickened, taste for salt and acidity, and finish with fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon to brighten the sauce. In this video, I will show how to make curry sauce with curry powder easy guide. Gather your ingredients and measure the curry powder accurately to avoid bitterness. Chop onions and mince garlic finely so they cook evenly and release sweetness. Use canned coconut milk for creaminess or stock for a lighter sauce, and keep tomato paste handy to boost umami. Taste as you cook and adjust salt, heat, or acidity to suit your preference. In this video, I will show how to make curry sauce with curry powder easy guide. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime of cozy toes while you cook and clean up. They toughen up with every wash and stay snug for long kitchen sessions, making chopping and stirring more comfortable. If you want the pair I love, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make curry sauce with curry powder easy guide. Heat a skillet and toast the curry powder briefly, then add oil and sauté onions and garlic until soft. Stir in tomato paste and cook a minute to deepen flavor, then deglaze with stock or coconut milk. Let the sauce simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes, whisking occasionally, taste, and finish with lemon juice or herbs for brightness before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.